Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best pool pockets is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components of any serious billiard setup, directly impacting gameplay, ball retrieval, and the overall aesthetic of your table, making the right choice essential for both casual players and seasoned pros looking to elevate their game and ensure lasting performance, preventing frustrating snags or premature wear that can disrupt the flow of a perfect break or a winning shot. Number 5. GSE Games and Sports Expert PU Leather Pool Pockets. Upgrade your pool table with these heavy-duty pockets. They are crafted from robust PU leather and reinforced with strong iron mounts, ensuring exceptional firmness and durability for long-lasting use. Installation is a breeze thanks to the pre-drilled holes on each pocket. You'll have them securely in place in no time, ready for countless games. Personalize your game room with various design options, including smooth, diamond, shield, or fringe styles. Choose from elegant black, classic walnut, or rich dark cherry colors to match your decor. These pockets are designed to fit most standard-sized pool tables. For precise compatibility, detailed measurements are provided in the product images. Each set includes 6 leather pockets, 4 for the corners and 2 for the sides. All necessary installation screws, bolts, and gaskets are also provided, making it a complete package. Remember to measure your table before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. The included screws are coated with anti-rust oil, so please protect your hands and table during installation. What we like. These pockets boast heavy-duty PU leather and strong iron mounts, ensuring exceptional durability and a premium feel. With various designs and colors available, they offer great customization options for your table. If you are looking to upgrade your table's appearance with long-lasting, stylish pockets, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. GSE Games and Sports Expert PU Leather Billiard Pockets. Upgrade your pool table with these heavy-duty pockets. They are crafted from robust PU leather and reinforced with strong iron mounts, ensuring exceptional firmness and durability for countless games. Made from high-quality PU leather, not genuine leather, these pockets are built to last. Each one comes with pre-drilled holes, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. Personalize your game room with various design options. Choose from smooth, diamond, shield, or fringe styles, available in elegant black, walnut, or dark cherry colors to match your decor. These pockets are designed to fit most standard-size pool tables. Each set includes 6 pockets GSE Games and Sports Expert PU Leather Billiard Pockets. Always measure your table before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. The included screws are coated with anti-rust oil. Please take care to protect your hands and table during installation. What we like. Featuring strong iron mounts and pre-drilled holes, these pockets are designed for straightforward installation on most standard tables. They come complete with all necessary hardware, making replacement a breeze. If you value a hassle-free setup and a reliable fit for your existing pool table, this option provides both convenience and quality. What people say. Number 3. 6 PCS Plastic Billiard Pocket Liners. Give your pool table an instant makeover with these new pocket liners. They are perfect for replacing old or damaged ones, ensuring your game always looks its best. This accessory set includes 4 punched corner liners and 2 side liners. It provides a complete solution to refresh your table's pockets. Crafted from high-quality, wear-resistant rubber, these liners are built to last. They are impact-resistant, safe, and practical, protecting your balls and cabinet from hard shots. These liners are lightweight and incredibly easy to install and use. They fit most pool tables and can even be cut to suit your specific table's dimensions. Enjoy a refreshed and protected pool table with these durable and practical liners. They offer long-lasting performance and enhance your overall playing experience. What we like. These liners are crafted from high-quality, impact-resistant rubber, providing excellent protection for your balls and table cabinet during play. Their lightweight and cut-to-fit design ensures they can be adapted to various table sizes. If you're looking to safeguard your equipment and need a versatile, protective solution, this set is ideal. What people say. Number 2. FERCAISH Pool Table Pocket Liners. This accessory set provides everything you need for your pool table. It includes 4 punched corner liners and 2 side liners. These are perfect for replacing any old or damaged parts. Crafted from premium rubber, these liners are built to last. They offer excellent wear, impact, and long-term resistance, ensuring reliable performance. Installing these liners is incredibly simple and quick. Their lightweight design makes them easy to handle, and they are suitable for various pool table types, including free play and coin-operated models. Designed to fit most standard pool tables, these liners are highly versatile. They can even be trimmed to perfectly match your specific table's dimensions, with corner liners at 23 cm and side liners at 17 cm. We are committed to providing high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Should you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us, we're here to help. What we like. Made from high-quality, long-lasting rubber, these liners are built to withstand heavy use and resist wear. They are particularly suitable for both free play and English coin-operated pool tables, offering broad compatibility. If you operate a commercial table or simply need extremely durable liners that can handle frequent play, this set is a robust choice. What people say. Number 1. Pool table billiard leather pockets. Experience superior craftsmanship with these deluxe quality pockets. They are designed to enhance your pool table's appearance and functionality. This set includes 6 modern leather internal drop pockets. Their sleek design seamlessly integrates with any pool table style. Each pocket measures 7 inches in height, from the bottom to the very top. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal ball collection. Crafted from high-quality leather, these pockets are built to last. They feature a durable poly net for reliable performance. Upgrade your billiard experience with this complete set of 6. They offer both elegance and robust functionality for your game. What we like. These deluxe leather pockets offer a sophisticated upgrade, featuring a modern internal drop design and a choice of fringe or shield styles. Standing at 7 inches, they provide a substantial and elegant look to your pool table. If you appreciate classic aesthetics and want to invest in a premium, stylish upgrade for your billiard setup, this set delivers both luxury and functionality. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.